Hi mga kalital, today kasama ko ang family ko plus the kiddos, and guess what? Pupunta kami sa Super Park Philippines inside the Eastwood Mall. From Metro Manila, around 30 minutes to 1 hour lang ang biyahe namin. Pagdating namin, sumakay kagad kami ng elevator to the 4th floor ang located nito. And boom! Paglabas pa lang namin, kita mo na agad ang super lawak na play area. As in, hindi pa kami nakakapasok, excited na ang mga kids namin. So, ready na magpapawis at mag-enjoy? Hanika na! So, ayan, pagpasok pa lang dito sa Super Park, may kita na kagad natin ticket booth. Open siya for all ages. The rates are 800 pesos for 2 hours unlimited play, 500 for 1 hour, and kids for 200. And the grip socks was 100. This is required, okay? So, sakto, may birthday celebration kami na abutan. Pwede dito mag-parties or even corporate team building. So, ayan, after nabibigyan kayo ng wristband para makapasok, may lockers din dito. Tutulungan kayo ng staff to assist you. So, syempre, kailangan mag-change muna tayo ng socks bago tayo mag-start. So, operating hours is Monday to Friday, 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. and Saturday to Sunday, 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. So, okay, ready na? Let's go na, guys! Hanika na, first stop namin is the mini soccer. Pwede kang umupo, then kick the ball. Super fun with these kids. And next one is the eye wall, parang Wii vibes ang vibes nito. Pwede kang sumayaw or mag-racing games. And next one is the super dash. Ito, grabe, sobrang saya nito. Makikita nyo, sobrang saya namin talaga dito mga kids. Kita nyo naman sa video, tawang-tawa mga kids. Paunahan yan, guys. And then they have mini basketball. Simple lang, pero alo-nalo kami. Kasi, syempre, basketball to eh. And the next one is the super pinball, the giant version. May scoreboard pa ito, so dapat maging competitive. So, tamang-tama to sa mga barkada to. And sa mga kids, ayan. So, even my mother, senior na yan, pero go-go pa rin yan. O, diba? Sobrang saya namin dyan. And they have a soccer board also that tastes your aim. So, yung mga magagaling mag-soccer dyan using the table. And this one is the Giant Challenge. Interactive siya kasi with the screen. So cool talaga. And then, tara, punta tayo sa Kids Zone naman tayo. Slides. There's going to slide and climbing and have a rope climbing din. So, akyat baba, so slide ulit, ganyan. Walang kapaguran ng mga batang ito. Ang batang to. Lalo na yung aking may kids. And next one is the trampoline time. So, may safety rules muna sila dito. For toddlers, not allowed here, okay? More on teens and adults naman dito. Pero super enjoy, lalo na yung mga free fall. Ito, favorite ko tong free fall na to. Ayan. So, after natin magtatalon, tara, punta naman tayo sa bike activity. So, kasama si mother, magbabike tayo, mag-racing bike tayo, no? Oo, kahit senior na yan, go for an exercise and have fun with my mother. And then, I go to the playground, sasamahan ko ang aking kiddos, sinamahan ko ang baby ko mag-slide. Perfect bonding moment talaga ito. So, ayan, pagkasya naman kayo, maliit kayo, mother and father, samahan nyo ng kids, mag-slide na rin kayo. Super saya dito. Para ka bumabalik sa pagkabata, mga kalitaw. So, ayan, next one is the chill muna tayo sa air hockey. Konting pahinga pero competitive pa rin. So, next one is the Valor Arena. This one is the interactive games with the screens, big screens. Ang daming challenges nito, guys. So, masaya to. Kasi lahat kayo pwede kayo dyan. So, pag exit nyo, makikita nyo yung recorded videos nyo. Pwede mong isend sa email mo as a souvenir here at the Super Park. Next one is the Astromania. So, para siyang mount climbing, no? So, kahit kiddos, kaya naman to. So, competitive din kayo sa pag-akyat. Ayan, carry yan, guys. So, next one is the fan ball. Shoot lang na shoot yung mga babies natin, mga kiddos. So, kailangan lang nila i-shoot yan sa box. So, may scoreboard din sila. And so, punta naman tayo sa street game court nila. Ito ay big game court nila for basketball and soccer. This one is one big space here. So, mga barkadas nyo, mga friendships nyo, ayan, pwede kayo mag-basketball. So, now, this one is the top wall. Perfect for the toddlers, no? Kahit si mother nakikisali na rin. Actually, ako rin nakisali din sa mag-pop ng balloons yan. And marami pang activities yan. And lastly, the dodgeball. Grabe dito, talaga lalabas ang energy mo, guys. So, in total, more than 21 activities. Sulit na sulit ang bayad mo. So, ayun, guys. Sobrang saya dito sa Super Park, dito sa Eastwood, dito sa branch nila dito sa Eastwood. Sobrang ganda. Ang dami nilang activities. hinihinga lang ako para yung 1 hour to 2 hours, super sulit dito, guys. So, ang dami activities. So, ang saya namin. Lalo na pagkasama niyo yung family and friends nyo, yung mga teenagers like that one. You can go here. Grabe, ang saya. But you're happy? Oh, it's so happy. Noctis was so happy. Are you playing? You're enjoying this one, huh? Enjoying here? It's super park! So mga kalital, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Tara na sa Eastwood Mall and experience the fun at Super Park Philippines. Hani ka na!